That's cool. That's neat. Yeah.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you come in. The reason for that is you didn't. Okay? I had something happen to me that I haven't had happen to me since I was in middle school.
I'm high. Let's watch TV.
Oh my god. You're amazing.
It was strange. But first, here is lemon juice. It's lemon fresh. So what happened was I'm selling a couple cord of wood to like two neighbors down, and the dude's cool and all that. I got one load today and one load to do tomorrow. Well, I told him that I'd most likely be back uh, the same evening to bring the second load, and I ended up not doing that because I went on Mad Kiwi's live stream.
I was saying if Craig had the problem with the magpies that they have in Australia coming after the drum.
Here I am, and now you'll see me hanging out with Mad as Kiwis. Here we are having a kiwi with this. It's Mad Kiwi, y'all.
He's jamming out now.
Well, hey!
What up, guys? Which was really cool and had a good time. But so I was just going over and letting him know what's up, and however, it wasn't a big deal, but I went to let him know. So I hopped on the 50cc scooter sidecar. A wonderful, wonderful machine. And and I cruise up to the dude's yard, and there's some guys that live there. I don't know if they're roommates or who the hell they are, but they're kind of good old boys, and they're sitting on, leaning up against the hood of their truck, and it's dark. There's light coming from like their porch, and so all I can really see is their silhouettes. And I cruise up, and I kill the motor, and I'm like, "Hey, well, what up, guys?" And the one big extra rednecky fella, he's just like, "You were the most pathetic idiot for driving that fucking thing." And I was like, "Thank you. I'm flattered." And he's all, "Don't be." And I'm like, "Me and my son built it, but he's gone now. He is gone. He's not staying at the house anymore." He's just like, like this look. It's still dumb. How big of a jerk. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to Chad, and that's why I'm here, and not to hang out with you guys. Give it a kick, starts up, and I'm just all, wait. I'm riding a wheelie on the sucker, doing like a no-footed can. I cruise back and I talk to Chad, and then on the way back, I'm just all cruising, like on two wheels. I grab the bill of my hat. I was wearing like, I think a fedora, and I was like, hey. And like, these guys are just fucking dicks, man. But, basically, I'm sure the reason that they're that way is because they had some fucked up shit happen in their life that they're unable to deal with in a positive way, and it's like helps them through it, or gives them kind of a chub. Maybe they never got a G.I. Joe when they were a little girl. Shout out to both of those dickheads. Dickheads? No, I'm pronouncing that right. Wrong dialect. Dickhead, cockmelon, prick faces, wiener tops, scrotum skulls. Looking forward to meeting them in the daylight so I can see how big of dickheads that they have. Da 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 da. Those dickheads now. I guess that's fucked up still. Like, that I have to even look at them. Da 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 da.